Everybody, good morning. Two meteorologist Travis Klineski right here on this Thursday morning, 1 week out from Thanksgiving Thursday. A lot of changes are going to happen between now and then. Another morning where some areas are seeing some dense fog this morning. I'll point out that there is a dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock this morning. This is all, of course, subject to change because we've been seeing the fog moving around a little bit. I will tell you right now, there is also a little bit of dense fog right in here this morning here. And there are also pockets of dense fog right in here. But the most widespread fog has been over eastern and northeast Nebraska, where there is a dense fog advisory till 10 o'clock, of course. That could change. It could either be canceled early, extended out. More counties could be added or taken out with time this morning. So, what do we have going on? We've got a frontal boundary. It's actually a cold front right about here. And behind that front, a lot of low clouds are sagging southward. And on the leading edge of that, we've got some thick fog there this morning. That cloud cover is going to kind of stick around for a large part of the day today, maybe trying to burn off later on. Then we've also got increasing upper level clouds from the south. And that is because we got a storm system down to our south that's eventually going to bring some rain to our area here this evening and overnight tonight, continuing into tomorrow. This will favor northern Kansas and southwest Nebraska initially. Some models a little farther north than this. So I would say areas near and south of Highway 92, basically the midpoint of Nebraska from west to east. South of there is going to be your best chance of rain. And the farther south and southwest you go, the more rain I expect you to get out of the system. We could get some decent totals out of this in some spots. This will continue. This is midnight. Late night now, we'll continue to see rain chances spreading more eastward now, so the Tri-Cities area and eventually Lincoln as well. Rain chances will start to kind of slowly wane with time as the day goes on tomorrow, but still a lot of clouds around. There's the afternoon right there. A little more sun in the north and northwest. I expect the warmest temperatures here, cooler the farther south. That should go. Clearing skies tomorrow night, taking us into what should be a really nice weekend ahead of us here. That's the first of two rain chances to come. We've got more down the road we'll talk about in just a bit. Looking at your forecasted rainfall totals, and again, it could be a big difference just depending on how far north it gets. There's going to be a very sharp cutoff, and north of that, very little rain expected. But once you go south of that sharp cutoff, we're starting to talk quarter of an inch, half of an inch, and then in some cases, maybe over an inch of rainfall here in some places here. So I tried to pick out the forecast model that I best agree with. Some are a little farther south, others are just a little farther north with this, but this is kind of the in-between one here, so that's the one I'm going with. But we could see some decent rain for some, others will barely even notice that there's rain in the area. All right, let's look at your highs for today. While it will be a cool day, most places this is still above average. Low to mid 50s pretty common. We might see a few upper 50s in the southeast depending on clouds today. Closer look around the area. Again, it's going to be a struggle up to the northwest. We had 60s yesterday. We may see some places not even get to 50 up here to the north and northwest here. I don't think we'll see any rain, but of course we've got some areas of fog. Partly to mostly cloudy sky is going to be the norm across much of the area. Rain chances moving in, but more towards this evening. I know it's showing rain on here, but that's probably after dark before we really see the rain move in here. Southeastern areas, some areas of fog this morning, especially right in here this morning. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. We're going to go mid to upper 50s, maybe even nearing 60 in some spots. Cooler to the northeast. Low to mid 50s, and I think, again, some places may struggle to 50 up here to the north. And, of course, we've got fog this morning as well. So that's a look around the area. How about lows tonight? 30s and low 40s for most of us, maybe a few upper 20s. But, again, as those clouds thicken up from the south with the rain chances, no worries about snow because temperatures will rise enough that we won't have to worry about any frozen precipitation. It will be just a chilly rain as it moves in, and that chilly rain is going to continue tomorrow, so that's going to keep temperatures in the 40s across the south. 50s to the north where there could be a little more sun, especially in the afternoon hours, and of course no rain expected in those spots. Tomorrow night as skies clear out, it's going to be kind of cold to start our Saturday. Lows back down to the 30s, which again not unusually cold for this time of the year. But then Saturday itself looks wonderful. Mainly sunny skies, highs in the upper 50s and lower 60s for the majority of us. A really nice Saturday on the way. Take advantage of it. We're not going to see nice weather like this for a little while. Let's jump to the east here. We're going to go to State College, Pennsylvania, home of the next Nebraska Husker football game. That's an away game, not a home game. That's going to be, you can see it right here at 6 p.m. kickoff right here on KSB Local 4 and on KNOP News 2, basically the NBC affiliates. Weather looks cold but quiet. It's going to be down in the 30s, which kind of what we saw back with the Nebraska USC game, so this is nothing unusual, but no wind, clear skies, no weather issues, just chilly. That's all you expect as we look at Penn State, Nebraska, that kickoff again here on Local 4 and News 2 at 6 o'clock Saturday evening. Our Saturday night into Sunday morning, a little chill in the air, down in the upper 20s and lower 30s for a lot of us, but another nice day on Sunday. We warm up once again into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Now we are going to see increasing clouds that are going to come in from the southwest, and that's going to maybe bring a slightly cooler air to these locations in here compared to the northeast. It could be warmest right in here where the sun lasts longer. Rain chances will move in towards the end of the day and more so into Sunday night and Monday. And that's our next chance of rain. So kind of the sandwich between the two chances of rain, a nice weekend ahead. There's the one chance late tonight and into tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning. Another chance late Sunday night and into Monday. We start to cool down Monday. Chillier air coming in Tuesday and into Wednesday. And you can see it's going to be colder for the rest of next week here. That said, we've nudged up those highs a little bit. The cold air maybe not as brutal. Unfortunately, though, I'm a little worried about what happens beyond next Saturday, where I have 38 degrees there. There are signs of even colder air to come as we get towards the beginning of December, and maybe some moisture chances down the road as well. There are some small chances of snow in here, but maybe some better chances that could be coming beyond our 10-day forecast. North Platte, not a lot of differences there between you and the Tri-Cities, other than a slightly earlier start time to the rain chances here. This evening, overnight tonight, and into tomorrow morning, clearing out tomorrow afternoon. Lots of sun for the Saturday. Sunshine starts to fill with some clouds Sunday, but nice weather both Saturday and Sunday temperature-wise. Sunday night into Monday morning, another chance of some rain showers, followed by that drop in temperatures as we go through next week. And again, just like the Tri-Cities, not as cold as previously expected, but again, beyond this 10-day forecast, it could get colder, and there could be better chances of precipitation. Well, with that, I got to let you all go for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll be back with you on Friday with all the latest. Take care, and God bless. Bye.